y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me for a few moments. I am super excited. It is Ipsy Day. This is the Ipsy for February 2019, and I cannot wait to get in here. Ipsy is one of my favorite subscriptions. It is $10 a month, and you receive 5 sample, deluxe, and sometimes even full-size products based on a profile. Ipsy has gotten, in my opinion, really awesome with their profile. They really are hitting the nail on the head every month. And for $10, it is one of my favorites. Like, I don't think I'll ever let it go. So I am super excited to dive in here and see what we got for February 2019. I do want to say I do have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on right now. So if you have not already, please consider hitting subscribe. The link will be down below for you to enter, and make sure you turn on that notification bell if you have not already, as I will be doing some live giveaways. So you want to make sure to get notified when I go live. So let's dive in here and see what we got for February. It's like, goodness, that's a big card. It's like a really big card this month. Okay. The back's a little bigger too, and I see a product outside the bag, and it makes me so happy. Okay, so we're gonna put it to the side for a second though. Okay, so this is different. They have changed this up. Okay. This says, swoon so hard. There's lots to love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, it says flip for more on those. So on the back side, this is what I haven't seen before. They actually have the products listed. Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush. Ipsy add-ons. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples and add them to your next Glambag for starting at $3 each. We'll keep things fresh with 30 plus new add-on products every single month from brands like Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, Smashbox, and more. You always get free shipping with add-ons. So, okay, they've changed this up because, like I said, I've not seen this before, because here on the back it tells us about each of the items that we received. So that is new and that is awesome. Excuse me. So the first item I see is actually outside the bag, and I'm super excited. So we're going to start with that, and that is a brush. I love getting brushes. I love getting I love this. First of all, this is a gorgeous brush. This is a Farrah brush. This is the Farrah Brushes Powder Brush 50F. This brand's known for luxe brushes that won't break the bank, versatile enough to apply setting powders, bronzers, and blush. This brush has super soft bristles that blend color smoothly and evenly. So, yay for a brush. Where's the, there. I love getting brushes. It's one thing I really don't think you can have too many of. That and eyeshadow palettes, never can have too many. So, yay for a brush. All right. Now let's get to this bag, you guys. First of all, this bag is adorable. How cute is that? It's a little bit bigger, I think, than the normal bags. So it's just, that is so cute. So let's dive in here. The first thing I pulled out is from Meech and Mia, a pressed eyeshadow in taupe. A brand that's always on trend and affordable. What's not to love? This matte finish mauve pink eyeshadow looks chic from day to night, and it's so good for adding subtle depth and definition to your natural eye look. So here is that. It is a very pretty color, and it is safety sealed. I'll actually put this to the side for a giveaway because I typically just don't reach for single eyeshadows. If I get them, which I do really like getting them, but I still don't reach for them. I find myself just reaching for palettes. So I will put this into a giveaway for one of you guys. So there is that. And then what do we have here? This is from Pixie by Petra Glow Tonic. Founded by a working mom of 4, Pixie is all about products that multitask. Made with aloe vera to soothe, ginseng to help circulation, and glycolic acid to exfoliate. It's no wonder everyone at Ipsy headquarters is obsessed with this glow getter. So that is very nice. And then, oh, okay. This is from Koki Cosmetics Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. It says Koki means elephant in Korean, which symbolizes boldness and beauty. And this brand really delivers on both. This medium to full coverage formula is loaded with illuminating pigments to camouflage dark circles. Plus, it won't crease and last from morning to night. So yay for a concealer. I'm super excited about that, and it's a really awesome size. I'm not sure if this is full size, but it's definitely at least like deluxe. That's a good size. So I'm happy with that. And then we have one more product in here. And this is going to be full size, I can tell. This is from Laritzi. This is a lip gloss in Curve. It says all of Laritzi's products are cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and made without parabens or phthalates, so they're not harmful to you or animals. This glossy mauve formula goes on smooth, keeps lips hydrated, and doesn't feel sticky. Plus, it looks fab on so many skin tones. So I'm excited to see what this bad boy looks like. Again, this is in Curve. Oh, you guys. Y'all, this is so beautiful. That color. Like, this is so gorgeous. Like, that is beautiful. I really, really like that. Like, between this, the brush, the concealer, I would have just been happy with that. The eyeshadow, again, I think is gorgeous, but I just, like I said, don't really reach for single shadow, so I'll put that aside for a giveaway. And then we have the Pixie by Petra Glow Tonic, the full-size Laritzi lip gloss, the Koki Professional, the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and then the beautiful, super cute Farrah brush. So, yes, Ipsy. Yay! Yet again, another amazing month. And the bag is super adorable. And I love how on the back of the card now, it shows products. So I definitely hope that that is something that they continue with, because that is, like I said, the first time I have seen that. So it's really nice to see and read a little bit more about your products every month. So that was great. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Have you signed up for Ipsy? If not, I will leave a link below. And like I said, for $10, you just cannot beat it. So it's just amazing. And they, to me, keep getting better every month. I really think that they are using the profiles and that it is making such a big difference. So like I said, we'll leave that link down below for you guys, as well as the link for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. So make sure, if you have not already, you hit that subscribe button and hang around and join our YouTube family and enter that contest. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will be doing live giveaways, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And again, let me know in the comments what you guys received in your Ipsy, if you do receive Ipsy every month. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.